Starting tonight at midnight, Albertans will no longer need their QR code to dine in at restaurants and bars. We hit the streets to see how Edmontonians feel about this.
I think we're all sick and tired of it, but it just feels like maybe it's a little soon with Omicron spike just ending.
I'm genuinely okay with it. I think it kind of adds some relief to a lot of patrons coming in and out of the industry, in and out of restaurants.
Alberta Premier said dropping the restrictions exemption program as well as other changes to the province's pandemic response were approved by his government's COVID-19 cabinet committee earlier today.
If we see a significant and sustained increase in pressure on our hospitals, we may have to pause some of these measures. But we are determined to get our life back to normal.
I feel okay, actually, because I'm vaccinated, so I can protect myself with this.
But others say removing public health measures is a bit early at this point.
As a person who works in retail, I think it's a little less safer for me.
I'd rather keep them and then get rid of them when we really need to than take them off, put them back on, take them off, put them back on.
Kenny says almost all public health measures will be lifted on March 1st, including indoor masking if hospitalizations remain low.
With or without, I'm okay. If people choose to wear a mask, it's up to them. But at the end of the day, I think it should be up to the people.
I just follow the direction, so I'm going to do whatever the government says it's supposed to be.
It might not be the best time to get rid of restrictions with the hospitalizations and stuff like that, but I guess just see how it goes and go from there. They can always come back on again.
City of Edmonton said on Twitter they're currently evaluating what this means for Edmontonians and city services, adding that starting Wednesday morning, recreational facilities will begin active screening of patrons for COVID-19 symptoms. In response to Kenny's announcement that masks will no longer be required in schools starting February 14, Edmonton Public School Board Chair Tricia Estabrooks took to Twitter saying if school divisions were consulted, they would have shared the desire to move slowly to listen to parents and to boards. Estabrooks said school divisions have no authority to require mandatory masking. In Edmonton, Hiba Kamal-Choufi, City News.